Hey guys, today we're talking about the best places to meet women and some spots you might want to avoid. Remember, the goal is to connect authentically, not just pick up dates. Hobby classes, cooking, art, or dance classes are great. You'll meet women with similar interests and have built-in conversation starters. Volunteer activities, animal shelters, community cleanups, or food banks. You'll meet compassionate women and show your caring side. Book clubs or literary events. Perfect for meeting intellectual women who love good conversation. Fitness classes, yoga, pilates, or spin classes. Just remember, women are there to exercise, so be respectful. Dog parks. If you have a furry friend, this is a natural place to strike up conversations. Coffee shops, casual and low-pressure environment. Just don't interrupt if someone's clearly busy. Cultural events, art galleries, museums, or local festivals. Great for meeting women with diverse interests. Places to avoid. Nightclubs, often too loud and crowded for meaningful connections. Bars. While not always bad, it's not ideal.